Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday the 23rd and we are actually going to be unstuffing the Shut the Box challenge that we literally just completed maybe a week or so ago. And we are going to unstuff it and we are going to put it in some of our sinking funds. I'm going to try my hardest not to do any challenges today, because this is a challenge that I am unstuffing and I feel like it needs to go into a envelope that we are saving money for, like fertility treatments or vacation or anything like that. So that is the plan for today. Now the Shut the Box is from Reinventing Renee. I will link her stuff down below. This is my 5th time playing it and it is so much fun, you guys. It is super quick. It saves a ton of money. Or just enough money, really. I think this is a ton of money. This is almost $100, you guys. But anyways, so we are going to count and see how much we have saved from the Shut the Box challenge. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, and 94. So we have $94 to work with. I don't know if I have a lot of change, to be honest, but we are going to see what I can play with. So we're not going to do anything on this green one, which is our monthly scratch offs and stuff. Let's go ahead and go to this one first. Actually, let's do long term because we really do need to do long term. So long term, let's see, we have debt, pet funds. We do have rainy days funds, and that is our savings fund. That is a challenge. Christmas we're not going to do, taxes we're not going to do, fertility we are going to do, but also mom. So mama is down and her birthday is the 24th, so it is literally Sunday. Whenever you are watching this, it's going to be the next day. So as of right now, this is the money that she has. I do also have $30 because we did sell some egg rolls that she made to one of my co-workers, so she paid $30, so that is an extra money that can go towards mom this weekend. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So we have $59, and I think I want to do $21. So that can make us to $80 for this week. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So we have $80. We have a pretty good bit of plan. We're going to go to Florida tomorrow, spend the day with myself and 2 of my brothers and their families and everything. And we are going to go eat. We're going to eat at this Filipino restaurant. And we're gonna go to the Asian store. She wants to go to a local seafood place because she doesn't go all the time, but every time we're in Florida, she wants to go there. We're just gonna pretty much explore Florida wherever we're gonna go. We're most likely gonna go to Pensacola. So we will figure out what she wants to do, and then this money is all for her. So I am going to see if I have $20 in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I do have $5, so this is 20. So we're going to put a 20 here. 20, 40, 60, 80. All right. So for fertility, we definitely want to put $20. So we have 100, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $128 for fertility, which is awesome. And let's see. Debt, I do want to put debt. Let's see, let's do $5 in debt, but let's do with some ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see. All right, so 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. So we have $69, and let's see if we can exchange some of these. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Just so we can have a little bit more to play with. All right, so I think this is all I'm gonna do for the long-term savings. And let's go to, we're gonna go and look at traveling. We are going to go to a wedding in Tampa in a couple of weeks. And this is mainly, the Airbnb is already paid for. This is mainly gas. And we are taking my vehicle because we are taking both of our dogs. So we'll need gas, food. We have a wedding, so we will eat there. Maybe an activity or so, or probably just exploring downtown Tampa. So let's see how much we have. 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. $77. So let's do 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do that. What is that one? So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Awesome. So we can add some more to this one whenever we get paid next week. We definitely need to add at least $50 to this one just so we can cover it. It's going to be a very, very, very low budget travel for this one. Let's see. This one, we're going to be struggling because we got to pay it by October. This one I'm not worried about. And then Jared is working on souvenirs, so I'm not worried about that one either. He's most likely going to be done beginning of October, hopefully. So I'm not worried about that. And let's go ahead and look at this binder. YouTube, we're not gonna do anything. eBay, we'll do that at the very end of the month, which is coming up in the next week or so. So we will do that. And I believe I am getting a YouTube paycheck next month. Don't hold your breath. I'm pretty sure I'm going to reach the $100 threshold. Work really does need to start because I really do need some more uniforms. So let's put $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do $5 in work because we really need to start that. Pont says we'll wait. Furniture, definitely going to be putting, I don't update these anymore. I don't know why, but furniture we're going to be putting $10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53. So $53, $153 for furniture, which is good. Let's see, home decor, no. Reno, no. Registrations, we do need that. Tires, we do need to save on that. Giveaways, we'll wait until our eBay or probably our YouTube paycheck is usually that. So registration, let's just start off strong with $1, you guys. We are going to do that. My dog is barking. And we are also going to put $1 in tires because that will be coming up next year, actually. All right, let's see what else we have. We have, you know, a good bit. So let's see. Go to our regular sinking fund. So medical. I think I have some blood work. I know I have blood work that's due on October 3rd. So I will need to put some money in here. And my dog is barking, so he is not supervised right now. 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $230, which is good. We are going to put $5 in car maintenance because I did just do a tire alignment. Sorry for the dogs barking, you guys. I really am. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 97. So $97 for car maintenance. I think Dobby is good right now. What about $50 in there? Home, special occasion. We don't have anything right now. Beauty, haven't stuffed Beauty in a while. Renewals, we do need to do renewals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll have to start this back up because HOA is due in December, early January. I think I'll do Beauty. Let's do $1. Let's do $2 in Beauty. And then let's just put the last dollar in Dobby and Oliver. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. $50. All right, you guys, so that is it. We stuffed $94 from the Shut the Box challenge. I'm super excited to be restarting that for number 6. It's going to be really interesting to see how many Shut the Box challenges that I do finish at the end of the year. But anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I really do love making these kind of videos, and I'm so glad that you enjoy these as well. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do have an Etsy shop as well. I will link that somewhere on the screen right now if you would like to purchase any of my scratch offs that I have on my shop. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye guys.